Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I am here at the RP Center. It looks like that for a theater. I guess we're having a theater in here. I think the venue itself is like you put on a hockey stadium kind of. It's got a big arena kind of area. Or anyway, I've never been here before, so I'm going to check it out. This is in Lakeland, Florida. And I want to invite you to come along with us. And if you're looking for other videos like this, look at our travel section. So go to Coolest Life and then go to the playlist. Playlist is going to say travel to unusual places. Maybe you're familiar with, maybe not. But anyway, we're going to go look at this place and bring you along with us. Looks like they play basketball maybe around here. Who knows? Because you've just entered the Coolest Life Travel Edition. So this is a set of stairs. Although the Lakeland Magic, I guess they're the Orlando Magic probably has a D-League team or minor league team, but it says Lakeland Magic. They must play here in this arena. So we're about to go inside. So here's the will call section here. And it looks like they got the basketball arena is actually straight ahead. It's a nice big center. It looks like where they play basketball straight ahead there, huh? Looks like a nice basketball court. I should try to get some tickets one day, huh? Interesting. Always like going to new buildings I've never been to before. They're all so different, and yet they're the same. Big place to sit, restrooms. Hallways are nice and wide here. I like that about it. I'm just gonna find my wife. Have you seen my wife? We check in through these doors, and then they got a big waiting room here. Let's go to refreshments down that way. And there's some down here too. My wife's trying to lose me. Other shows coming. Nice. Yeah. One of the shows there's a balcony up here too. Got lots of seating. Look at old English town. Well, now we're at intermission. I did show you a little bit of that, but got to thinking no one else had any phones out, so I'm thinking I really didn't want you to videotape any of this. I mean, it is a play, so it kind of makes sense. They're probably doing their own videotaping for improvement, but that's the stage there. Let me turn this around just a little bit. It's a really cool stage setup. There in the center, they've got those boards that change colors and different designs for the whatever scene they're doing. I want you to see this. It's a really nice venue. Acoustics are really good too. All the way up top. I thought I'd give you a picture of what the upstairs looks like. I haven't seen it yet. Maybe they'll tell me to leave. This is the upstairs, the mezzanine, because downstairs is called orchestra level. Of course, they're getting a long break right now. They're setting up for the next act. It's a really nice venue though, that's for sure.
One more song, but only if you will join with us. We heard some of you humming along. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Well, that was a good show, wasn't it? I really liked the fact that it was a serious production. It wasn't backwoods. I mean, it was, you could tell it was a professional production. These people were, this is what they do for a living kind of production.
Great singers.
They were
great actors.
Great singers. Yes, all the lines were right on. I mean, it was just, it was impressive. It was one of the better plays I've ever been to live, that's for sure. No question about that. But we'll let you go here. And if you want to come to this venue, I would highly recommend it because the acoustics were awesome. I will say the volume of the singers and everything probably could have been a little louder, but I don't think that was a problem with the venue itself. I think it was, they didn't have time to prepare or whatever it was. But anyway, it's definitely a nice venue. Easy parking in and out. And but we're gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe because we're just out here living.
Good feels like.